Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zillow Reviews Management using Boast, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Zillow Reviews Management using Boast, start by navigating to the Boast homepage. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Confirm your email to activate your account. Log in to your newly created account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Find the Integrations section on the left sidebar. Click on Add Integration. From the list of available integrations, select Zillow. You will be prompted to enter your Zillow account credentials. Input your Zillow user. Authorize Boast to access your Zillow account. Once authorized, navigate back to the dashboard. Select the Reviews tab. Click on Manage Reviews. Here, you can customize your preferences for managing reviews. Set up notification preferences to receive alerts for new reviews. Decide how you want to respond to reviews automatically. Utilize the template options to craft your response messages. Preview your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Save your settings once you are satisfied. To import existing reviews, return to the Reviews tab. Choose the Import Reviews option. Follow the prompts to gather your existing Zillow reviews. Verify that the imported reviews appear correctly. You can now manage, respond to, and analyze your Zillow reviews through Boast. Familiarize yourself with the Analytics section to track your performance. Regularly check in to optimize your reviews management strategy. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zillow Reviews Management using Boast. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.